Wait, how am I moving and talking like this? This isn't a real person, it's AI. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can create your own realistic talking AI avatar for free. AI avatars are about to change the internet, and today I'm showing you step by step how to make one from scratch. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or just curious about AI, this is going to blow your mind. And the best part, it's ridiculously easy. Stay till the end because I'm going to reveal a secret hack on how to remove watermarks for free. Now let's get started. The first step is creating the AI avatar with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard me right. We are creating our AI avatar with ChatGPT. For that, we'll use ChatGPT's consistent character tool. So we'll head over to ChatGPT, go to Explore ChatGPT right here. You'll see a long list of custom GPTs, and we'll go ahead to search for consistent characters. Click Start Chat and click Create. Then go ahead to select your gender. So for this avatar, I'm going to use female gender, and you give your avatar a unique name. I'm using Oma because this is Oma Studio. Go ahead to customize the look for a realistic and engaging personality. So for me, I'll just go ahead and input the prompt black woman, mid-30s, realistic style, brown long loose curly hair, wearing glasses, dimple, semi-formal chic clothing. Don't just create a random character. Think of an engaging personality that fits your content niche. Go ahead to choose a background. So I want her sitting at a desk in a cozy, well-lit room, and you click Generate. Give it a few seconds and boom, we now have an AI avatar and a background. But let's make it even more realistic. We'll head on to our Canva to make our avatar look high quality and professional. So you open your Canva, create an account, and if you have one, just go right ahead and log in. Then you open a canvas for our project. For this, we'll be using a 16:9 Canva, which is perfect for YouTube videos, except of course if you want your talking avatar to just be for YouTube shorts, and for that you'll use 9:16 canvas. So upload your AI avatar and resize it to fit naturally. Obviously, the image wasn't generated in 16:9 canvas, so for this we'll go ahead to use Magic Expand to enhance the background. Now I understand that Magic Expand in Canva is a pro feature, but you can use the free trial of Canva in order to have access to the pro feature for a brief period of time, and if you eventually decide that you need Canva often for pro features, then you could just go ahead and subscribe for one. Use the free form, give it a few seconds to do its magic, and here you go. So you've got different variations that would pop up. Just go through the variations and figure out the one you would like. And if you can't find any of your choice in this first variation, you could just click this to have it generate new variations for you. And here we go. I'll go ahead and use this one. Now let's add some elements to make it more realistic. You can add a lamp on the desk for natural lighting, place a plant for extra depth, etc. But for this image, I'll just go ahead and add a laptop so it looks like she's actually working, and a cup of coffee. I'll further add a wall clock. For the wall clock, you can either reduce the transparency so as to make it look blurry and blend into the background, or you can go to Effect and use the blur feature there. And there we go. We have a crisp, professional looking AI avatar. For step 3, and this is actually a very important step, bringing it to life with Hailuo AI. To make our avatar move, we will use Hailuo AI. It's one of the best AI image generators in town. Let's start by signing up for Hailuo AI. They give you 1,000 free credits, which will go a long way. They have image to video mode and text to image mode. So select image to video mode, upload your AI avatar image from Canva, and for our movement prompt, we want to quickly go back to our ChatGPT and ask it to write a 5 AI avatar AI prompt that I can use to automate an image to have hand gestures. The hand gestures should be for illustration, explaining waving bye to increase engagement, one hand gestures, etc. The AI avatar is a woman. I only need the prompt to describe the gestures and movements. Click generate, and here are our 5 prompts. Copy one of the movement prompts, head back to Hailuo AI and paste it in. For settings, make sure to select image to video live mode. Click generate and let AI work its magic. And here's the result. Our avatar moves smoothly with natural gestures. And we'll keep using the rinse and repeat method to have our avatar in different expressions and natural gestures. To do that, click recreate, delete the previous prompt and paste a new one. Click generate again. Keep doing that until you create all the prompts, all the frames you want for your avatar. You'll notice I have different variations. The avatar is waving, the avatar is moving on her seat, the avatar is standing up. That is how you get your avatars that are walking, talking, and moving their hands. Next, we will lip sync with Runway ML. We need to make our avatar talk and sync its lips perfectly with our voice. For that, we'll head over to Runway ML, sign up for a free account. After that, I will walk you through the 2-step methods you can use to make your avatar talk. For the first method, we will use generative sessions, then click Act 1 mode. Record a short video of yourself speaking, just for tracking's sake, and your face won't be in the final video. Upload your recording, and by the way, the recording should be at least 30 seconds long. Then upload the animated AI avatar video from Hailuo AI for character reference and click generate. Give it a few minutes and boom. Our avatar now talks with perfect lip syncing.
Here, follow me as I show you how to create an active, walking and talking avatar just like this one. I'm Oma and this is Miss Oma Studio
And guess what? It is able to mimic some of your facial expressions also. Isn't that fantastic? Now let's try the second method. So you go back to the home page, then you'd click on lip sync video. Next, we will upload our asset, that is the AI avatar video that we generated from Hailuo AI. Then we will upload our audio. If you don't want to use your own voice, no worries. We can generate one using ElevenLabs or any of the fantastic AI voiceover tools out there. But personally, if I decide I don't want to use my voice, ElevenLabs is my go-to. So for that, just head over to ElevenLabs, create an account, pick a voice, for example, Rachel, Sam, Tom, any of the fantastic voiceovers they've got. Type your script and click generate speech. Once it's done, go ahead and download the file. Now our AI avatar has a professional and natural sounding voice. Once you have your voiceover, be it your voice or AI generated voiceover, upload it to Runway ML and click generate. And here is our result. Hey there! Follow me as I show you how to create an active, talking and walking avatar just like this one. I'm Oma and this is Miss Oma Studio where the magic begins. And as promised at the very beginning, my secret method to erasing or covering watermarks. Having watermarks on your video can look a bit unprofessional. But since watermarks are usually placed at the angle of the video, you could go ahead to cover it up with your channel logo or your channel handle name. These are fantastic ways to cover up watermarks that are at the angle of your videos. And that's it. You now have a fully automated talking, walking AI avatar that looks professional, and you did it all free. Now I have a challenge for you. Drop a comment below and tell me who will your AI avatar be. If you want more AI hacks, like and subscribe for more game-changing AI tutorials. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video, and see you in the next one.